Hi, my name is Josef Jaroszczak and I am developer of AQ software, and this is a demo of the most recent beta version and its features. AQ software runs on Android devices and allows you to ask questions ranging from very basic, such as what is the current time, weather forecast for any city, population of any city, lets you do data conversions, algebra calculations, definitions, dictionary lookups, etc. Up to more complex queries such as how to make scrambled eggs or who won the Stanley Cup in 2000. It also lets you ask questions like who is Paul McCartney, when did Elvis Presley die, or even what is the longest bone in a human body. Anyway, the program can be operated from the touch screen, but it also lets you speak directly to it. So you can enable touch screen, or you can do voice search. That means you can either type your question or simply just ask your question using the microphone of your phone or any Android device. However, one of the best features of AQ software is its ability to operate hands-free using any common type of wireless Bluetooth headset. This allows you to, let's say, walk down the street and ask your question by simply shaking or tapping the device and hear the answer back in your Bluetooth headset. AQ also supports non-A2DP Bluetooth devices. These are old Bluetooth headsets which can now be purchased for really less than $20. Anyhow, I'm going to demonstrate the AQ software now, showing you some examples, example questions which AQ can easily answer. By the way, on a side note, the program operates in two modes, offline and online. Some questions like, let's say, what is the current time, don't need internet connections to be answered. More complex questions require internet connection. For a complete list of offline and online features, that will be part of the manual. Anyhow, let's start the demo. Current time.
Current time is 11:18 p.m., Tuesday, 11 of October 2011.
Time in Vienna, Austria.
5:19 a.m. Wednesday, CEST.
Definition of E equals mc squared.
In physics, mass energy equivalence is the concept that the mass of the body is a measure of its energy content.
So I'm gonna demo a keyboard query. So I'm gonna type in, let's say, weather in Toronto. Send the query.
Weather for Toronto, ON, Canada 18 degrees Celsius.
So this is answer in a single sentence. You can change a number of returned sentences, and you can ask your question by again pressing ask question.
Weather for Toronto, ON, Canada 18 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy.
Or you can even try more sentences, like let's say 3 sentences.
Weather for Toronto, ON, Canada 18 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Windy at 8 kilometers per hour.
Okay, so let's go back to one sentence, single sentence answer, and we'll turn on the voice search back. And I'm gonna ask some other questions. Let's say, for example, conversion. 45 square meters into square feet.
45 square meters equals 484.375969 square feet.
So 32% of 65.
32% of 65 equals 20.8.
Okay, so let's ask some more complicated questions. Who is Paul McCartney?
McCartney, English rock star and bass guitarist and songwriter who with John Lennon wrote most of the music for the Beatles, born in 1942, word netweb.
What is capital city of Canada?
Ottawa, or sometimes, is the capital of Canada, a municipality and the second largest city within the province of Ontario.
Okay, so let's see if we can demo some searches which return video. So I'm gonna do, let's say, who won the Stanley Cup in 2010?
The Chicago Blackhawks defeated the Philadelphia Flyers to win the 2010 Stanley Cup.
Okay, so now you see there is a link, clickable link to a video from that game, and you should be able to see the final game. Okay, so I'm gonna return back, ask some more questions. So let's say, how to make scrambled eggs?
Have a plate ready, toast cooking, coffee brewing, and bacon, tomatoes and mushrooms nicely fried, if you want the works.
Okay, so this is obviously entire recipe, so if you were to turn the answers to return entire answer, you'll get entire recipe on the screen. But again, you can click on the video and watch someone else on how to make scrambled eggs. Okay, so let's try one more question. What is the longest bone in a human body?
The largest bone in the human body is the femur or thigh, your upper leg.
Okay, this concludes the demo. AQ software is coming to Android market soon. Thanks for watching.